All right, so I woke up this morning to realize that the wind had knocked my greenhouse plastic off of the trellis for the straw garden. So I thought, man, how can I attach this thing? So I'm going to try to use some local rocks to weigh this down. And I'm going to show a tarbuck knot and then show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a tarbuck knot. This is a slide and grip knot for like guy lines. I first learned a taut line, but under certain circumstances it would kind of bunch up on itself, so not that great. I'm going to use this jute twine. I think that's what this is. It'll probably weather not too great, but I have so much of this, might as well just try to use it. So we're going to start with this configuration. Okay, so how I got to this part is we've got straight. You want to have, definitely want to have some left over, and you just cross it over the top. All right, the next move is to go into the loop, into the bite. One, same motion. Two, and one more time. Three. We're going to bring it in through the loop. You want to make sure you give yourself enough of this tail. I use we're going to kind of bring it across here over the top. I use my thumb and a finger or whatever to kind of pinch down right here. Because then we're going to go over, under, and that loop, that kind of section we created with the pinched finger there, we're going to put it through here, and then a little tension there, pull, just kind of dress it. Dressing a knot just kind of means tighten up what you can. It's not going to come apart. And what we've created here is you hold on to this and you can move it along. And the idea of these types of lines is that pressure over here won't pull the string, won't pull it along this. So we've got ourselves a very nicely adjustable knot, and under a lot of pressure, it won't bunch up. Okay, so we've got this. So why does this come in handy? Why do we want a loop that we can adjust? My idea was to take a local rock. Here we've got some local siltstone, and cool enough, what we got here is a trilobite cephalon. Now these are the local siltstones, so I dare say this is probably 400 plus million years old, Ordovician stone. There are probably other fossils in here. Actually, before going too much farther, this is probably the back end of a trilobite. Kind of direct center there. Hard to tell. I don't find complete specimens because they're small. The type of species of trilobite here is small. Either way, we're going to take this. I'm going to do this on all four corners, but I'm just going to show this one. We're going to, under the plastic, kind of curl and bunch it up, create kind of a package here. I think something like that's good. We're going to take our loop, stretch it out, in, and in and around, and we'll tighten it down. There are a couple types of knots you can do this sort of thing with. If I feel that for some reason pressure does loosen this, I will do a video next time on what's called a clinch knot. Clinch knot makes it so that any inward pressure within the loop outwards, it's not going to budge. This, effectively, you could, but okay. So there it is, and there it goes. So it's weighted down. Cut off the extra because it was still attached to its, I don't know what this is. Maybe a skein? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what a jute ball is, I guess. Anyways, but there we go. So the rock is in. We've now got some weight. Good to go. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave comments. And let me actually pull out real quick just to give you an idea. Still no slugs or snails. But there you go. So hopefully, I mean, it's not windy now, but hopefully major winds won't move it. And you could kind of go along, you know, the bottom. I'm going to do one on each corner because I picked 4 rocks, but maybe 6 you could do. You could do a center one as well. But yeah, so that will be, we'll go with that and see what happens. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, leave comments, all that good stuff. I'm really enjoying making these. Any help just through watching is fantastic. So thanks a whole bunch. Bye.